What if I told you they can get all of these insights for any channel on YouTube? The insights include data such as, of course, total videos, total views, how many long form videos, how many shorts. But for me, most importantly, is this one, median views. Because from this metric and from this data, we can put the videos into different categories. So it can be breakout videos. So they got more than 3 times the amount of median views. We have solid videos. They got between 1.5 to 3 times the amount of median views, average, and then we have underperforming. Now let's say you're spying on my channel for some inspiration. It's a good idea to focus on my breakout videos because they got more than 3 times the amount of median views. So the algorithm favored them. So it makes sense to understand what was the thumbnail, what kind of topics I talked about. So maybe you can do something similar. You can also learn more about my posting frequency. So what time or what day I post the most, and what's the average views or median views for that specific day and that specific time. You can see here for shorts, Thursday at 10 p.m. Or Sunday at 8 p.m. For long form, it's Sunday at 8 p.m. So you can get lots of insights from that. You can see my top content pillars, how many videos, what's the median views for them, my winning video formats. Is it hot takes? Is it explainer videos and demos? Is it a case study, a breakdown of a certain campaign? And you can also get more insight about the length of the videos. So videos who were shorter than 5 minutes, how did they perform? Videos that were between 5 to 12 minutes, how did they perform? And you can get insights about the thumbnails. And eventually you can get recommendation on how you can differentiate, what kind of concepts you can replicate, what you can do differently, and so on. This is very insightful if you want to get inspiration from any channel, and it's super easy to do. So what you have to do is go to N8n and use this simple workflow. I'm going to show you now how it works. So step number 1, you need to get the channel ID. It's easy to do. You can go to this platform. It's for free. It's called commentpicker.com. And you can just add the handle of the YouTube channel. So in this example, I put mine, which is @TariqReslan. You can get the ID here. You go back to the workflow. And then the first step is that we're gonna retrieve all of the channel information. So the creation date, total videos, how many long forms, how many shorts. And then the second part of this workflow is that we're gonna retrieve every single playlist from that channel. And then the third step, we're gonna get every single video from every single playlist. We're gonna get all of their data, such as the day of posting, time of posting, the title, the description, the tags, the thumbnail, and also the statistics. How many views, how many comments, how many likes. And it's a loop because we're gonna go through every single playlist, and one by one, we're gonna add all of this video information in a spreadsheet. You can see here now the spreadsheet is empty, and now we're gonna run the workflow in real time. Let's add the channel ID. We go back to the workflow. You can see now it's operating, it's running, it's extracting every single video from my playlists. And if we go to the spreadsheet, you can see that it's being populated one row at a time. And just to repeat the information being added, you can see the publishing date and the time. Let me make it easy for you to read. So you can get information such as day of posting, time of posting, the link to the thumbnail. You can get information about the title, tags, and so on. And also, this is the most important part, the statistics. View count, like count, favorite count, comment count, and the list goes on. So once we have this spreadsheet with all of this data, the final step is to go to ChatGPT and run the following prompt. What you have to do first is to make sure to connect your Google Drive to ChatGPT, add the spreadsheet here, and then run the following prompt. You are a world-class YouTube strategist. Your task is to analyze all of this data and then give me the following information. I want you to classify the videos based on median views. So if it's more than 3 times the amount, it's a breakout video. So if it's 1.5, it's solid, and the list goes on. I have some rules for it, which is to always make sure that the math and calculations are right. If not, all of these recommendations, all of these insights are for nothing. And then it's gonna put everything in a, I would say, simple format. It's a JSON format in case you want to document these insights somewhere on a tool that you're using. So once you run it, you can see here that we have channel summary, median performance, posting frequency, winning video formats, top long form length, and the list goes on. So in the beginning, you will get the insights in the form of the template. So it's not very visual. This is great, once again, if you want to document this or save this in a tool that you're using. But if you want to make it visual, then in the follow-up prompt, just tell ChatGPT, share this in a nice visual way, and you will get this. The template and the prompt are in the description. I hope this was useful. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.